Hello, today I will be telling you how you can create a Google Forms. For this, you need to have one Gmail ID. So in my case, I'm already having the Gmail. So just in the browser, go to google.com and type Google Forms. Just go on this link and create a blank form. So in my case, I will be creating a contact information page. So this is the meta title, the title you want to give it to your form, and you can add the questions and you can make it the required section to be filled. Like I will say, I will type here as a I want the full name of the user, and I will make it required. So it would be a short answer, so I will select short answer out of this. Additionally, I require one more question, and I will ask for the email address, and I will make this required to, and I will make one checkbox to accept the terms and condition, and so I will give the option I accept, and I will make this required, and it will be saved automatically. So now to get the link of this form, just go to send section, go here and copy the link. You can also shorten the link of the form. So I will open it in another browser to check how it looks. So it is looking like this, and it will show me with the submit button. I will translate this. As you can see, so my form is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.